Hi guys, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope all are doing well. In this video, we are going to see about cool technique called randomizing the list without duplicates. It can be used in card games for shuffling and any other games needed. Hope you all subscribed guys. Come on, we can code now. Create one Unity project. Create a game object in the hierarchy. Name it as random generator, and reset its transform. Now create a scripts folder in project. Inside the scripts folder, create a C# script. Give the class name as whatever you want. I am giving it as random shuffle. Open the script in Visual Studio. Clear all pre-written codes. We have to create some variables. First one is list of integer, the list we are going to shuffle randomly. But in empty list we can do nothing. To add elements to the list, we need some integer values. List range variable gives how much number we can add to the list. In the start function, create a for loop. I starts from 0, and ends until the variable list range. Inside the for loop, add the I value to the shuffle list. Create a function, shuffle list randomly. Create a nested for loop, that means for loop inside for loop. First for loop is for how many times it should shuffle. Second for loop for shuffling. Inside the second for loop, create a local integer variable r, so we can get the random element from the list. Random.value gives float range between 0 to 1. We can multiply the random.value with total count in a list, minus which value in for loop, that is s. Create a update method. In the update method, check if space key is pressed. If it is pressed, then we can shuffle the list. Save and switch back to Unity. Wait for script to compile. Attach the script to the game object. We can give shuffle time to 1. List range to 20. Now click play. You can see the list is generated from number 1 to 20. To shuffle the list, press the key which you gave in update method. You can see the list shuffled. You can play around with the shuffle times. This technique can be used in card games and any other shuffling things randomly. Thanks for watching the video. Please give a like to this video, that will motivate me to put some new videos. Don't forget to subscribe the channel guys. Last but not least, take care all of you guys. Bye bye.